Good morning, YouTube mine lovers. Tom and Julie here.
Good morning.
Good morning, Julie.
Morning.
We're standing on top of a waste pile here
As usual.
in Nevada. A nice view of the valley behind us there. So today we're going to look at a portal that is partially collapsed. And there's just a little hole there about the size of a football. And we're going to see if we can dig it out a little bit.
Let's go digging.
Yeah, let's go digging. Well, there's our massive opening at the portal. Like I said, about the size of a football. One really cool thing right here, laying on the ground, is a wind-driven ventilator. It's all homemade out of corrugated tin and 6-inch pipe. Pretty cool though. That would keep this funnel pointed into the wind, and this would be standing straight up, and it would hooked up to that elbow, which would have hooked into the vent pipes inside the mine. So that's really cool. I like this. Miner's ingenuity. They made do with what they had, that's for sure.
Okay, here's Tom starting off.
Digging again. Should have been a gopher. This thing's stuck here. Well, we're making progress.
Yes, you are.
It's actually pretty easy digging to kind of stop material.
Good.
Just about got enough to get a light in there and have a look.
Okay, good. We'll check back with you and see what you find. Okay, Tom's heading in. Maybe.
All right, Julie's slithering in like a snake. She's a mine snake.
Yes, indeed.
That's not too bad. There's a pretty cool carbide can already.
Nice.
Okay, there's looking back at the portal we just came through. The vent pipe is still in here, although it's disconnected, but that was hooked up to that cool weather vane type funnel that caught the wind outside. We've got some cemented caliche type material in the rib here. And right ahead of Julie, there's a split in the track, so want to do the right hand rule?
Sure.
Okay. Here's this big thing. I'm not sure what this was for. A piece of timber with a notch on it, like a tenon. Oh, look at that carbide can. I have never seen that kind before. Shawnigan. Can you go up and turn it? Maybe is it full?
No.
You turn it. Miner's Special. Can you get to where the logo is? Okay, cool.
Neat.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I think I see the face already. So that didn't go very far here. There's the old drill hole, as you can see. They had about a 10 pattern drill. 10 or more. Okay.
Pretty good color.
Got a little color left there, no prints.
A little bit.
Yep. Oh, there's some bottles that are broken too. Alright, let's go further in the mine. Here's a water pipe. And then the vent line. A lot of the red minerals in here. Oh, rib. Oh, this is kind of neat. It's almost like brickwork. Something going on here. There's a piece of, there's a chisel bit.
There's some more Prince Albert cans too.
Oh yeah.
2 of them.
Yeah, 2 more Prince Albert cans. Let's go straight for now. There's a junction here. We'll come back to go left later. That's a nice little adit. What is that?
A rat. Oh no, it's a...
It's a bird.
No, it's not.
Oh, it's a
little
chipmunk.
chipmunk.
I don't see any rats in these mines, in this area. He's like a little ground squirrel. Here's your contact zone near this smooth wall. They use natural timbers for some of the cross ties. In fact, most of them, it looks like all of them.
Yeah.
That's usually an indicator of being fairly old. You have to worry a little bit about the air when you open up a mine if it's been stagnant. But there was a squirrel living in here, so it can't be too bad.
That's a drill bit.
Oh yeah, an old drill bit they drove in there for a hangar.
There's not a lot of need for timbering in this mine.
No.
It's solid rock.
None so far. I wonder if that wind-powered vent had enough pressure to push air all the way in here. Here's a stack of vent line. Huh. Well, it must go a little further because there's a stack of vent line there and it's still intact here. Here's some graffiti or some information anyway. I think it says 350 feet in maybe. A little damp in here, not too bad. Boy, that Shawnigan can was nice, wasn't it? Huh? Oh yeah. It's got a little bit of a logo on there. Okay, picking up again here. LZ in the graffiti. Little rodent running up there ahead of Julie.
There are your ties.
Yep, look at the old cross ties. Wow. Think of the guys who collected them and cut them and tried to fit them in there. That's crazy, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Looks like we're 575 feet in.
These things are so weird.
Oh yeah, that is weird.
It's like a fountain. This is the vein, huh?
Yeah.
See how they just chipping it off of there.
Yep. Yeah,
That's a big adit. You know?
yeah, pretty tall.
Wow.
It's probably 8 feet tall in a lot of places.
It just keeps going 606.
We're 600 feet in. I'm guessing that's what that means. Well, that one was worth digging out, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Already. Although we haven't seen any more cool artifacts. It was one of the nicest carbide cams I think I've ever seen. That Shawnigan. Never heard of it. But
Come on back over here.
there's some old drill steel here. This is the square type. And they've got a little channel running down them. Some other bits down here. Before they were knockoff bits. Still rolling. They followed that up somehow. They must take like a bar of some sort to get up.
The ladder to get up here.
Oh yeah, look at the old ladder. That was to get up there, yeah. Just a little two-step lug on a 2x6. Oops.
How's your little buddy?
Oh, the little guy you stared in here?
Oh, well, it's got to be the end.
This is the face. Our little squirrel friend is run all the way up here. There he is. Hello, guy. Okay, well that's the face. I don't want to chase our little squirrel friend to death. Okay, we're backtracking out of here to the branch that we skipped. It was a left coming in, it'll be a right going out. And we'll see you when we get there. Oh, look at the neat little oil can. Not an oil can, but an oiling can for oiling something. That's pretty neat. A couple of single jacks sitting there. Or if you like to call them chisels, you could do that. Well, we should be almost back to the branch that we skipped. There's another little something running along there. What was that?
That's a mouse, I think.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see him up there.
Let him go. He's right here.
Yeah, I see his tail.
His little butt.
Look at the mouse up there go. Sorry, little guy. We gotta go your way though. I think he tucked under there. Oh, he's up here. He's going down the rail. There's not a lot I can do. Alright, we're back to our junction. We're going to take the right. No idea what it does, but we're going to find out. There's some track connectors. Or fish plates. Looks like they took the track out of here, didn't they? Not a lot in here, some old timbers, water pipe. Not sure what they were following here. There's a piece of drill bit. It's broken, it looks like. Broke the tip off it. You either got to re-weld one on there or get a new bit. Little branch to the right. Very red material here. Mm-hmm. Very red. Yeah. Wow. This just goes a little ways and stops over here. Nice smooth contact zone. Interesting, isn't it?
Yeah, I like this part right here.
Yeah.
It's kind of neat.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, let's see if we can find the end of this guy. Bolt. Looks like I see the face up here.
Yep.
Is that a can?
No,
that's just
it's not. I thought it was two.
Looks like a little can. Just a piece of lumber. Alright, and here's the face of this one. No bats, no rats, no mice, no squirrels. Alright, Miss Julie's making her way out. Here, hold on a second.
Okay, good.
Yeah, keep going. Got her?
Yep.
It's a little tight.
It's a little tight.
Well, we're back out here by that cool vent funnel with a weather vane on it or wind vane on it. So that was pretty fun.
It was fun. I liked it. Thanks for watching the video, you guys. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on our next adventure.
Right on. We'll see you later, guys.
See you guys.